Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. So first off, I'm just going to show you guys my finger that got bruised really bad. I thought it was broken, but I don't think it is. I can bend it pretty well now, but my dog I got wrapped up in her leash. So that's been fun. I haven't done nails all week because of it, but I'm going to show you guys what I got off Temu. First, I'm showing you guys these cute little short almond tips. I thought I did a better job at showing it, but clearly I did not. But they're really nice. I like them. I got some lint wipes. I thought this came in a bigger pack, but that's okay. I still have some left over from my last time. And I got these to go on my table to keep my desk nice and clean. They're like the purple ones that I have down, except they're white. I got these little sponges for sponge nail art, and they have the little grabber thing in there. And then this I'm super excited about. This is a jelly stamper, or a stamper, but it's adjustable. So with this, and I have no idea what is what, so I gotta do some playing with this, but you can make the images smaller or bigger. So I'm excited to play with that. I got it more to make images smaller, not bigger, but either way, I'm excited. And then we've got some more stickers because I can't ever have enough stickers. These are little shells and starfish and all sorts of ocean goodness. These, I didn't even know I got these. I honestly have no idea how they got in my cart, but that's okay. I will find a way to use them. And then these pretty little 5D art flowers. And then I got a new, because I really needed a new gemstone picker. I think that's what it's called, to pick up gems. The one that I have is pretty well used and doesn't work very well. This also comes with a whole bunch of like reusable ones. So that's pretty awesome. I will do my best to link everything, but this is Temu, and a lot of times I go back to link stuff and they're not available anymore. But I will do my best to link everything. I got a lot of gems. These are the first ones. These are like little pearl things, and they are flat backed, which is really nice. And they come in a bunch of different sizes. And then this little case that I'm clearly not in view of is a bunch of tinier ones. These are itty bitty tiny little rhinestone thingies. I don't know the technical name of everything, so forgive me. I just got what I thought looked pretty. That's pretty much what I did here. And then I'm going to take these out of the package to show them better. Let's see. Oh yeah, some different colored little gems. They're like oh gosh, forgive me. I don't know. These ones I thought would look really good in like an ocean mani, to like maybe use the gems as sand. I don't know. I'm not big on using gems and gem placement, so I am getting more into it. I think these are some more pearls like looking gems. But yeah, I'm trying to get more into it, so I bought a bunch so I could get more into it. And then these are the little flower things that we see everywhere. I love them so much. I have a few, but I only have pink, white, and black. And then this came in a 2-pack with the pink and white, but then also the green, the purple, the yellow, all the other colors. And then these are some little shells and starfish gems. And they also have a little rhinestone on them. They're really cute. Definitely want to use those. And then I got these really pretty charms. They're all different. There's some butterflies, flowers. There's like a mermaid tail, I think is what it is. I'm going to open it up if I can get it on the right side, and then make sure nothing's on the lid so it doesn't fall out when I open it, and show you guys hopefully a little bit of a closer view of these. There's some shells, I believe, some moons, it looks like, a lot of different things, but this butterfly is so cute. Actually, that was, I think, a flower. This is the butterfly, sorry. And hopefully they're hard to see, I'm sorry, but it's so cute. I don't think I've ever done like charms. Actually, I know, well, except the flower charms, I guess those would be charms too. But other than that, I've never really played with charms. So I'm excited to do a little bit of that. And I don't know why I keep trying to open the package on the wrong side and tear it when there's like this peel up thing on the other side. I got this big box of like different colored rhinestones, gems. Sorry. Different colored gems. I guess that's what they are. And these are, I believe, all flatbacks, but I don't remember. Now I just have to figure out a way to organize all of this stuff. So I think I'm going to go to Walmart today and grab like little Ziploc bags because it'll take up a lot less space in my drawer versus having all these big boxes. So that's hopefully, because right now I have nowhere to put this stuff. But these are so pretty and it's so many different colors. There's like 3 different yellows, 3 different blues. And then I got also, these are virtually the same thing, but they're just different, a little different colors. I think they have a little more like hollow in them. So they kind of like, depending on where you're looking at them, they look different. And I'm super excited about this. And it also had a couple dark ones in there, which I was excited about. I don't want all light. I want some dark. These are so, so pretty. These are going to be a pain in the butt to repackage into a Ziploc bag. I didn't even think about that until just now. That's not going to be fun. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to figure it out. I love, like, those are my favorite, the one I just picked up. So wish me luck on repackaging these because that's going to be a mess. And then this is my favorite thing. It wasn't my favorite until I opened it. You guys will see in a second. This is, and I did not know that you could get lavender violets on Temu. Like, I've seen dips on Temu, but they're like off brands that I've never heard of, so I haven't really tried them. But when I saw the lavender violets, which is one of the first brands I ever started using when I started dipping, I got them off Amazon, and I still have them to this day, and I really, really like them. They do a great job at shimmers. So I got that pretty purple shimmer, and this one is so pretty. It's not my favorite, though. You'll see my favorite here in a moment. And then I have an accident here soon. You guys will see. Oopsie. This is like a really pretty blue shimmer. But it looks like there's some gray in it. Oh, yep. There we go. Spilled. Clearly I was not being very careful. So I do end up having to dust off a few of the other ones to, yeah, and dust off my hand because I have shimmer all over it. But anyway, I'm going to take this one out and not put them back in the box because I don't want shimmer all over the jars. Which, speaking of, I went through all of my old dips and got rid of, I haven't decided yet, but I boxed up every single dip I have that is from a company that is closed. And I'm trying to sell them on Facebook Marketplace. If you're interested, it's a huge box, probably. I did not count. I could count if someone wanted me to, but there's well over 300 dips, and I have it listed at 400 right now, but I don't. That's not, the money isn't high priority because some of them are used. Some of them have never been opened, of course. Well, they've been open to swatch, but they haven't been used. But there is just so many. So if anyone is interested, let me know. But I do have it listed on Facebook Marketplace. I'm just trying to make room. I have no room for more dips. I haven't been really buying a lot of dips because of that. And I figured it was time to let go. Like, all those companies have closed. Whenever I use them, it's like I feel bad because I'm listing them. I can't list them. So anyway, I'm making room. I'm doing it. But right now they're still in a box and I haven't completely let go. Until they're sold, they're still mine. So this is my favorite color. This is stunning. Like, stunning. I am so obsessed with this blue. I need to use this in a mani right away. Holy moly. Do you guys see that pigment? I'm dying. I'm not a huge blue person. I mean, I love blue, but it's not like my favorite color. But this is something else. I can't wait to see what this looks like on the nails. And then we have one more. I thought this was going to be more of a pink, but but then when I opened it, it's definitely more of a red. So I am interested to see what this, like the shimmer is definitely red. I'm very interested to see what this one looks like on the nails. If it comes across a little bit more lighter and sheer, or if it comes across like a true red. So I should swatch these. I haven't yet. Well, I mean, I will swatch them, but I just haven't swatched them yet. Anyway, that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a beautiful day. Bye.